Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to highlight active row and column in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To highlight the active row and column at the same time, we do the following. First, we select the area where the row and column highlighting will work. We do this using the combination Ctrl+A or click on the triangle here. Next, on the ribbon, click the conditional formatting and click on New Rule. Now select Use a formula to determine which cells to format and then type a formula of this type. This formula will highlight all the cells in the same row and column as the active cell. Great, now select the fill color, click Format, Fill tab and select the color. Click OK and OK again. Now with any change in the cell, the highlighting is triggered, but this is inconvenient and we need to automate the highlighting process. A simple short marker can handle this. Right-click on the sheet name and select View Code. Next, in the General field, click the arrow and select Worksheet. Type two words through the dot, Target Calculate, and close Visual Basic. We check how it all works. We click on any cell and both the column and the row are highlighted together with this cell. And in order for the highlighting to always work, even after closing the document, the current document must be saved in the correct format. Click File, Save As, Browse, select the folder where to save the document, and most importantly, in the Save As type list, select the Excel macro-enabled workbook format and click Save. The last thing to do is to press Enable Content when starting the document again, so that the marker doesn't turn off and you can continue working with a convenient highlight. And that's it. Now we know more.